Hey everybody, in this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how to turn off PSP properly. To shut down, so first thing you need to hold down the power button until the green LED turns off. After which, if you've installed a custom firmware, you press the selected button while the XMB to access the VHS. From there, then you could go ahead and select the shutdown options. As you've done it, so you want to slide the power or hold switch on the top of the PSP to right. Hold it in a position then 3 seconds and the PSP will turn off completely. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.